Ever wanted to have a drop-down to select from? Here's a quick tutorial on how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Stay tuned and follow along on how to do this. First, you will select the column or cells that you want the drop-down to appear in. Then you will navigate to the Data tab in Excel. Under the Data tab, go to the Data Validation menu and select Data Validation. Thereafter, a pop-up will appear. You may select the List option for this example. Now populate the source field with the options you want to appear in your drop-down. Each option in your drop-down list can be separated by a comma. Press OK. Then when you go back, you can now easily select from your drop-down without having to manually write out the status every time. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more.